There's a new AI tool that can make videos so realistic, you'd swear they were shot in a professional studio. No cameras, no actors, no complicated editing, just your ideas and a few clicks. It's called HeyGen, and today I'm going to show you how it can turn a simple concept into a cinematic, studio-quality video in minutes. And the best part? Almost nobody is using it to its full potential yet. Hey friends, welcome back to Next Gen AI Lab, where AI meets creativity and changes the way you work.
All right, let's get started. Open your browser, type HeyGen into the Google search bar, and hit Enter. When the results appear, click on the very first link to access HeyGen's homepage. Here, you'll see a bold purple Get Started for Free button. Just click it, and we'll jump right into creating your account. After clicking Get Started for Free, you'll land on HeyGen's sign-up page. Here, you could enter your email and hit Send Code to get a verification code, but I'm going for the faster route, signing in with Google. Just click the Google icon below, pick your account, and HeyGen will set up your account instantly. Next, HeyGen will ask you to choose a plan. I recommend starting with the free plan to try out all the features first, then upgrade later if you need to. We'll quickly go through the initial setup. You can select anything you want here just to complete it. And we're ready. This is the HeyGen dashboard. On the left, there's your main menu with sections like Projects, My Avatars, Voices, Templates, and more. This is where you'll manage all your videos, avatars, and creative assets. In the center, HeyGen highlights new features like here. The first Creative OS is coming. If you're curious, you can click View Waitlist to get early access. Right below is the Create Something New section. This is where the magic starts. You can photo to video with Avatar 4. Turn a photo into a video with an avatar. Quick avatar video. Create a video in just a few clicks. Create your avatar. Design your own AI avatar. Plus tools like Translate Video, PPT, PDF to video, super handy for all kinds of projects.
First things first, you'll need to be inside the HeyGen AI Studio. Once you're in, click the Avatars button up in the toolbar. See those familiar faces at the top? Yep, that's where all your custom avatars live. Want to make a new one? Just hit Create New Avatar. Or you can choose from HeyGen's stock library of over 700 diverse public avatars ready to go. You'll probably find the perfect match in no time. For this example, I'm going with one of my favorites, Annie. Notice how most avatars come with a few outfit changes, different poses, or backgrounds. Let's add a new scene and give Annie a fresh look. Now let's talk framing, real quick. Think of this like picking your favorite profile photo. You can go with standard zoomed-in close-up or even that trendy circular frame. Totally up to you. Choose what fits your scene best. Oh, and one last tip. Removing the background of any public avatar is ridiculously easy. Just flip the toggle and boom, background gone. Perfect for making your avatar not blend into any scene. You can do this for custom avatars too. If you have a creator, teams, or enterprise plan with HeyGen, make sure you enable background removal when creating them. And that's it. You're now officially an Avatar Pro inside.
Let's say you're starting with a simple scene, maybe just your avatar and some text. But to really showcase your message, you want to add a bit of movement and visual interest. That's where animations come in. With just a few clicks, you can control how elements appear, move, and exit your video. To get started, select any elements on the canvas, like text, an image, or your avatar. This will reveal animation markers in the script panel. These markers let you time exactly when the element should appear or disappear. Just drag them to the right point in your script to sync your visuals with your message. Then, choose how the element enters or exits. You can go for a simple fade, a zoom in or out, a slide in from any direction, or even a pop-in effect. Once selected, you can adjust the duration to make the movement feel faster or slower. Need a preview? Just hover over each animation style to see how it looks before applying it.
Hey, welcome
Now,
back to...
let's talk scene transitions, the connectors between each part of your video. They help guide your viewer smoothly from one scene to the next, making your video feel cohesive and intentional. To add a transition, hover over the space between two scenes in the timeline. From there, choose from options like crossfade for a smooth blend, slide for directional movement, or flow for something more dynamic. Once you've picked a style, you can fine-tune it by adjusting the duration and direction. And if you want a consistent feel across your entire video, click Apply to all scenes. For best results, make sure your scenes are visually distinct so the transition feels natural and clear. Let's get started. Templates are the fastest way to get started in HeyGen, whether you're creating ads, explainer videos, or training modules. There's a ready-made template waiting for you. From the home page, click Create Video and then choose Use a template to start a new project. Already working on a video? No problem. You can still add a template slide right from the script panel or the timeline. Just click the plus scene button, then select Add from Template. HeyGen automatically shows templates that match your current aspect ratio. You can browse by use case to find something that fits your project's tone and purpose. If you've created custom templates, they'll show up under My Templates. Want a closer look? Just hover to preview the animations and click to see all the slides included in a template. Once you've found the one you like, click Add Scene to drop it into your video. From there, you can customize the template to match your brand. Change the colors, update the fonts, move elements around, or add your custom avatar. To create your own template, go back to the home page, head to the Templates section, and click Create Template. Once saved, it'll appear in My Templates and be ready for use in future projects. If this helped level up your video skills, hit subscribe and let's keep creating smarter with AI.